science. In the previous lecture, we are talking about the relationship between focal length and the radius of curvature. Now, in this lecture, we are talking about the mirror formula. So, first of all, the question is, what is mirror formula? It is the mathematical relation. What? It is the mathematical relation between the three distances. First is object distance, that is we represent by the u. First is object distance, that is we represent by the u. Second is image distance, that is we represented by v. Okay, image distance, that is we represent by v. And the third thing is focal length of the given mirror. So the mirror formula, it's a mathematical relationship between object distance u, image distance v, and the focal length f of the given mirror. Okay, now we will see the procedure how to derive this mirror formula. For that, you have to first of all construct the one ray diagram for the concave mirror. Okay, so here I am taking one concave mirror, and with the figure you have to also give the description of this figure. So first of all, consider the concave mirror which having the smaller aperture. Smaller aperture and having the advantage that whenever you are taking such points and you are drawing the perpendicular, that point and pole you will be considered as the same point because their distance are very smaller compared to the other distance. Okay, so first of all you have to take the mirror, name is concave mirror, and it having the smaller aperture. Now in the drawing you have to draw this concave mirror and draw the principal axis. As per your convenience, take the F point and the C point. Okay, now take the one object, name is AB. Okay, take the one object, name is what? AB, and place it beyond the C. એને આપણે ક્યાં મૂકવાનો છે? C થી beyond place કરવાનો છે અંદર. And as we know that from the ray diagrams video, whenever you are placing your object beyond the C, you will got your image in between C and F. Okay, તમને જે તમારી image ખરી ક્યાં મળશે? In between C and F. So for that, how will you construct the ray diagram? So here there is a one modification compared to the previous ray diagram. There you have to take first of all the parallel rays. Okay, and that parallel incident on whatever point of the mirror, the name it as the what? M. Okay, and after the reflection it will be passing through the what? Principal focus, that we already know. And the second ray that you have to take on is what? You have to take the ray which is incident at the pole. Okay, so take the incident. So whatever angle here is formed after the reflection, same angle will be formed here. And take the another ray, and you have to try to draw this line in a such a way that it will intersect the first reflected line in between C and F. It is not to say it must be midpoint. You can set any, but the intersection point must be what? C and F ની વચ્ચે હોવું જોઈએ અંદર. બરાબર? So in this way you will getting the object A's image equal to what? A dash. એટલે કે તમને object A ખરીને શું મળશે? Image A dash મળશે અંદર. Now draw this inverted line. Okay, real and inverted મળતું તો ત્યાં આગળ અંદર. So that's why A dash B dash will be from the what? Image. And the same description you have to write down here. But here you have to define two parameters, that is U and V. The object distance is the what? At how much distance you are placing the object from the mirror, and it will be represented by the what? Pole to P. So PB will consider as the object distance and symbolically represented by the what? U. And second one, the image will be formed at A dash B dash. So P to P dash distance will be considered as the what? Image distance, and it will be denoted by the symbol equal to what? V. Okay, so in this way you have to provide all the description as well as the figure, and then you have to start the mathematical format of this mirror formula. Now in the mathematical format you have to recall some concept which you have already learned in the 9th standard. First is similarities of triangle. Similarities of triangle, તમને યાદ હોય તો આપણે similarities triangle criteria થી ડિઝાઇન કરતા હતા. ટ્રિપલ A criteria, ASA criteria, SAS criteria, double S criteria. In this way there is another criteria that is called the AA criteria. What? AA, angle criteria. If in the two triangle, if you are said that two corresponding angle are similar, then two triangle are also called to be what? Similar. Okay, and in the 10th standard you have already learned that when the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides ratios are always in પ્રપોર્શન. એમની જે કરસ્પોન્ડિંગ સાઇડ છે એમના તમે રેશિયો લો એ પણ શું હોય છે ઇક્વલ હોય છે અંદર. બરાબર. સો ધીસ થિયરી that you have to use out. Okay, and another you have to use the trigonometric functions. Okay, તો હવે આપણે વાત કરીએ અહીંયા આગળ. So for that, first of all, what you have to do, you have to take the two triangle. Which two triangle you have to take out? Okay, first is a dash b dash f, and the another triangle is fmp. It means that you have to take triangle which is formed by the focal length rays. Okay, so focal length rays થી એક આ triangle તમારો ફોર્મ થશે, that is called fmp, and second one is what, fa dash b dash. Yes or no? So these two triangle you have to consider. So I am similar figure I have also drawn here. So you can say that here is a vertical line, so it will be 90 degree, and here mp is also vertical line, it is also considered 90 degree. Okay, actually m is perpendicular here, but this point and pole are very closer to each other, that's why I am taking it as the what, mp. Okay, now 1 degree 90, and here is also 90 degree, and as well as these are the continuous, and this is the corner. These two angles will become the what, vertically opposite angle, and these two angles are also same. So for these two triangle, AA criteria is followed or not? So as the two triangles are follow the AA criteria, that's why we can say that the triangle are what, similar triangle. So from that we can say that their corresponding side are also what, equal. Okay, now corresponding side we can write down at here, if it will be a dash b dash. Okay, then if equivalent side 90 degree બીજો અહીંયા આગળ vertically કેમ મને સાઈડ બને છે, તો here you have to write down mp. Okay, yes or no? So a dash b dash divided by mp equal to તમારું equation શું બનશે અહીંયા આગળ, second is you have to take b dash f. So b dash f equal to શું થશે અહીંયા આગળ, f2 p થશે અંદર. સમજ પડે છે? Means you have to take two sides only, and that two sides are taken in this way, they are forming the 90 degree angle. એટલે 90 degree જે બનાવે છે એ બે સાઈડ તમારે શું આજે કન્સિડર કરવાની છે અંદર. ઓકે, સો તમારે શું મળ્યું, ફર્સ્ટ મળ્યું. હવે from the figure આપણે ધ્યાનથી જોઈએ તો whatever this distance, it is exactly equal to the AB. Why? Because this is principal axis and this is the parallel ray. So parallel lines વચ્ચેનું જે perpendicular distance હોય, that will be always what, same. So if you taking the MP or AB, both are going to be same. So that's why here we represent PM. Okay, and PM, that will be represented by the what, AB. So that's why your equation will be become what, a dash b dash divided by AB equal to b dash f divided by what, fp thase agare, and give it as the what, equation 1. Okay, now again you have to do the same thing, but another triangle you have to take on. Okay, and another triangle taken what, ABP news channel આવે છે ખબર, ABP news channel. So ABP, and second one is a dash b dash p. આપણે launch કરેલે a dash b dash નામ આપીશું અંદર. Okay, so you have to consider the two triangle ABP and a dash b dash p. Okay, so figure is look like here. Okay, and here you will get the 90 degree, so here is also 90 degree, and as we know that angle of incidence is always equal to the what, angle of reflection. So these two angles are also same. Yes or no? So that's why we can say that these two triangles are again from the AA criteria are the what, similar. Okay, and from the similarity we have to again write down same way. Okay, and તમારે જે બે સાઇડ્સ લેવાની છે કઈ લેવાની છે, જે રાઈટ એંગલ બનાવે છે. So here vertically તમારે શું છે, AB છે, and here a dash b dash. તો આપણે અહીં ખાલી પહેલા a dash b dash લઈએ છે, ડિવાઇડ બાય શું આવશે, AB equal to. Okay, અહીં આગળ શું થશે, તમારું PB થશે. Okay, અને અહીં આગળ શું થશે, PB dash થશે અંદર, and give it as the equation what, 2. Now from the equation 1 and equation 2 you will find out that the left hand side of the both equation will be what, same. So if the left hand side are same, then right hand side will be also what, same or not. Okay, so by comparing equation 1 and 2 you will got the final equation b dash f divided by fp equal to pb divided by what, pb dash થશે તમારું, and give it as the equation number 3. But in the mirror formula, what we have to do, we have to find out the relation between u, v and f, and in this there is no u, v, f. So from the figure we have to introduce these three variables instead of this variable. Okay, now at here you what b dash f, okay, divide by fp equal to pb divide by pb dash, okay. Okay, અહીંયા આગળ ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ આપણી. If you are taking a dash b dash, then here is pb dash and here is pb, okay. So અહીંયા આગળ pb dash આવશે અને આપણે અહીંયા આગળ શું થશે, pb થશે અંદર, because આપણે જે ટ્રાયેંગલ લેતા તો સિમિલરલી અહીં એક ટ્રાયેંગલ લેવો પડે અંદર, બરાબર. હવે તમે ધ્યાનથી જો what is b dash f, okay. So b dash f અહીંયા આગળ ધ્યાનથી જુઓ છો તો આપણા માટે કોઈ નોન ડેટા નથી અંદર, but you can say that pb dash માંથી તમે pf સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો, બરાબર. pb dash માંથી pf તમે સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો તો you will get the b dash f or not, okay. Why we are taking this? Because p to p dash is considered as the image distance v, okay, and p2 for principal focus distance, that we are considered as the what, f. Yes or no? So hence you have to take this value as the what, v minus f. समझ पड़ी કે ના પડી આ તો ભાઈ, બરાબર. and તમારે ત્યાર પછી શું કરવાનું છે, fp માટે વાત કરીએ. so p to f distance is considered as the f, so v minus f divided by f, left hand side માં આપણે આવી ગયા અંદર, okay. now pb dash તમારો શું છે, v છે, yes or no, બરાબર. અને pb ખરો એ તમારો શું થશે, u થશે અંદર, okay. so that's why you are converting this equation into the what, u, v and the f formula under, okay. now what you have to do, you have to apply the Cartesian sign, okay. now we know that as it is the concave mirror and it will be from the real image, તો મેં તમને એક શોર્ટકટ કીધી હતી, concave એટલે ખાડો, ઓકે. વેલી કહેવાય અંદર, વેલીમાં પડી જાય તો કેવું કહેવાય, નેગેટિવ કહેવાય, એટલે એનો v કો, u કો કે f કો બધા શું કહેવાશે, નેગેટિવ કહેવાશે અંદર, એટલે કે એની વેલ્યુ જ્યારે પણ કન્સિડર કરો at that time you have to take their negative values, okay. so you have to replace all the symbol by the negative sign, so that equation will be formed what, minus v plus f, yes or no. here v is plus and f is minus, so minus v plus f divided by minus f, okay, and equal to minus v divided by minus u, yes or no. this minus minus will become what, plus, તો આ તો આપણું પ્લસ થઈ જશે અહીંયા ગાડી, ઓકે. અને આ તમારું જે ઇક્વેશન છે જે ફોર્મેટમાં છે, ફોર્મેટમાં આપણે રવા દઈએ અત્યારે અંદર, બરાબર. હવે તમારે કરવાનું છે શું, કે તમારે જે ઇક્વેશન્સ ખરું અંદર, બરાબર, એને થોડુંક સિમ્પ્લિફાઈડ કરવાનું છે અંદર, તો આપણે શું કરીએ, માઈનસ v ડિવાઇડ બાય માઈનસ f કરી દઈએ, ઓકે, પ્લસ f ડિવાઇડ બાય માઈનસ f, ઓકે. એટલે આપણે ઇન્ડિવિડ્યુઅલ ડિનોમિનેટરમાં સ્પેસિફાઈ કરી દીધા, ઇક્વલ ટુ અહીંયા આગળ શું આવશે, v બાય u આવશે કે નહીં આવે અંદર, બરાબર છે. હવે તમારે શું કરવાનું છે, આખું જે ઇક્વેશન ખરું અંદર, બરાબર, એનામાં શું કરવાનું છે, તમારે ડિવિઝનનો ફિનોમિનન યુઝ કરવાનો છે અંદર, બરાબર. તો આખું ઇક્વેશન ખરું એને તમારે શેનાથી ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું છે અંદર, v થી ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું છે, કોનાથી ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું છે, v થી. હવે જો ff તો કટ થઈ ગયો એટલે અહીંયા આગળ 1 આવશે અને અહીંયા આગળ માઈનસ માઈનસ શું થઈ જશે, પ્લસ થઈ જશે અંદર, બરાબર. સો તમે જ્યારે v થી ડિવાઇડ કરશો આ ઇક્વેશનને તો તમારું ઇક્વેશન શું બનશે, v ડિવાઇડ બાય f into v plus 1 divided by minus v equal to v divided by u and v. તો v કટ થઈ ગયા, અહીંથી પણ v કટ થઈ ગયા, તો ફાઇનલી તમને જે ઇક્વેશન મળ્યું શું મળ્યું, અહીંયા આગળ 1/f, ઓકે. અહીંયા આગળ શું મળ્યું, -1/v, because here minus and plus minus will become minus, and equal to અહીંયા આગળ તમારી પાસે શું વધશે, 1/u વધશે અંદર, so plus 1/, શું આવશે, u આવશે, sorry, equal to 1/u આવશે. Now place minus 1/u at the right hand side, so finally you will get the equation what, 1/f equal to 1/v plus 1/u, and this is called the what, mirror formula, okay. અને આપણે શું કહીશું, mirror formula તરીકે કન્સિડર કરીશું, and recall that the mirror formula's equation is what, 1/u plus 1/v equal to 1/f, બરાબર. એટલે કે એકની નીચે u એટલે તમે હો, પ્લસ 1 ની નીચે આપણે બધા હોઈએ ત્યારે શું બનશે, 1/, ફોકલ લેન્થ બનશે અંદર. તો આ શું છે, એની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે અંદર, okay. In the next lecture we will talk about the magnification and we will see some what example, okay. Thank you.